Hare Krishna. Today is the disappearance day of Baldev Vidyabhushan. Baldev Vidyabhushan is a very important Acharya in our Sampradaya. Srila Prabhupada had so much respect for Baldev Vidyabhushan, he dedicated the entire Bhagavad Gita to Baldev Vidyabhushan. So there is a very interesting story of how Baldev Vidyabhushan saved the reputation of our Sampradaya. So one time the king of Jaipur received a complaint from the Ramanandis or from the Sri Sampradaya devotees, and their complaint was the Gaudiya Vaishnavas are worshipping the deity of Gopinath, Govindadev who are there in Jaipur, but they complain that the Gaudiya Vaishnavas don't have an commentary on the Vedanta Sutra, so therefore they cannot worship, and there is no proof in the scriptures that Radharani should be worshipped along with Krishna. There is no reference in scriptures. So they said that Radharani should be made separate, should be kept separate from the deity of Gopinath and Govindadev. So the king of Jaipur, even though he was a follower of Gaudiya Vaishnavism, he was a disciple in the line of the Gaudiya Vaishnava Parampara, but he couldn't refute them. So he sent a letter to Vrindavan, and Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur at that time was the Acharya of the Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya, but he was very old. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur sent his disciple Baldev Vidyabhushan to Jaipur. So Baldev Vidyabhushan was so surrendered, he took the blessings of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur and made the pilgrimage to Jaipur. And in Jaipur, in front of all the Ramanandis, he presented so systematically, so brilliantly the philosophy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, establishing Gaudiya Vaishnavism. But still, the Ramanandis were adamant that you have to present a commentary on Vedanta Sutra. And Baldev Vidyabhushan was trying to explain to them that Srimad Bhagavatam is a natural commentary. We need not present a separate commentary on Vedanta Sutra. But they were adamant. And they told him only 18 days. Within 18 days, if you don't present, you will not be able to worship, the Gaudiya Vaishnavas will not be able to worship the deities of Gopinath and Govindadev. So Baldev Vidyabhushan was so pained that in 18 days he has to present a commentary on Vedanta Sutra, which is not easy. So what does he do? As a natural devotee, he goes and prays to Govindadev. So a Vaishnava, a sincere devotee, whenever he's in trouble, whenever he faces a problem that is difficult for him to handle, he knows only one thing. He goes and surrenders unto Lord Shri Krishna. So Baldev Vidyabhushan goes to the deity of Govindadev and prays to the Lord, you please help me. This is your Sampradaya. And the Lord comes in his dream and tells him, you start writing, don't worry, I will dictate the right words. So Baldev Vidyabhushan, with great inspiration, he starts to write, and Govindadev stands in front of him, next to him, and dictates the entire commentary on Vedanta Sutra. And Baldev Vidyabhushan names this commentary as Govinda Bhashya, because Govindadev has practically dictated everything. So Baldev Vidyabhushan, through this example and by this episode, he actually saved the Sampradaya. Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya was established, the deity of Radharani was kept next to the deity of Gopinath Dev, Govindadev, and in this way he saved the Sampradaya. All the Vaishnavas and especially his Guru was so pleased with the service of Baldev Vidyabhushan. So Baldev Vidyabhushan is showing all of us that if we are ready to follow the instructions of our Guru, even though it may be difficult, and if we have faith in Krishna. So Baldev Vidyabhushan, he gives credit to Govindadev for writing this book. He doesn't take credit for himself. So if we have surrender to Guru and surrender to God, surrender to Krishna, then by the mercy of Krishna, anything is possible. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayate girim yat kripaha tamaham mande Shri Guru Deenatarinam. So it is explained that with faith in Guru and faith in Krishna, a dumb man can speak poetry, a lame man can cross over mountains. Anything is possible by the mercy of Krishna. So on this very auspicious day, we can pray to Baldev Vidyabhushan that the kind of surrender he had towards his Guru, the kind of faith he had in Krishna, and the kind of humility he had, even though he did such great service, we can also develop all these qualities, and we can also become sincere devotees of Guru and Krishna in our lives. Hare Krishna.